I don't know. I'm more of a Pontoffel Pock than other things you can think. I don't even know if that one was a book. It was an animation. Did you guys even ever do that one? Ever watch that one? What is that? It's called Pontoffel Pock, Where the Heck Are You? It's a great one. And it also, sort of has defined my lifelong, relationship with, work. Generally speaking. Just a push on the push 'em, and a pull on the pull 'em, and the pickles go into the jar. What a wonderful way to spend every day. You can thank your lucky stars. Just a push on the push 'em, and a pull on the pull 'em, and the pickles go into the jar. But I pulled on the push 'em, pushed on the pull 'em. Etc., etc. You have to watch it now. I think you should. We have pickles. I mean, I can't give you any through the internet, but I do recommend that you eat some pickles if you have them handy. I always recommend that, so. Alright, we're 21 minutes in, and I haven't even put a game on the screen. The Twitch police are gonna come for me one of these days. The jars are in the pickles now because I did it wrong? No. I broke the whole factory. Next step is for Faye to become a React streamer, yeah. We'll become a Dr. Seuss reaction streamer. How's that? I'll need a whole redesign of my emotes if I do that? Wait. Why? Just to make them Dr. Seuss-like? I don't understand. About to react, Andy. I don't really speak meme very well, I'm sorry. Cat is yelling at me again, and I'm sure that he's gotten his food by now. So he's just here to yell. Because he ate now. Hello. Hello, sir. Now, the emotes are not gonna be Dr. Seuss, even if we start even if we transition the whole stream to be a Dr. Seuss React stream. It's just not happening. See, now these noises are happening in real life as you're making them. Watch it now. Almost as if in response, like he can hear them, but... It's a lot of them, right? I mentioned before, but there's actually 19 of them. And he did them all in the span of like 2 or 3 minutes. Ow! What the... What was that for? Bro! I was petting him very, like, gently and nicely. I have no idea what that was for. Bro is seriously psychotic. Doesn't seem like he drew blood. Luckily. So rude. Chat promises not to bite if pet? I don't know. Once bitten, twice shy. I can't trust anyone. He gets no more pets today. It's just a very rude thing to do.